would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the local lands and waterways on which we live, work and fly. We'd also like to pay our respects to elders past, present and emerging. The local time is approximately 7:13 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. As always, smoking, vaping and using e-cigarettes is not permitted while disembarking or throughout the terminal. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers as baggage may have moved and could fall out. Before leaving, please check your seat and seat pocket for any personal items, and if you can reach your phone, you can turn off flight mode now. On behalf of all of us here at Qantas and OneWorld, thank you for choosing to fly with us this evening. If you are visiting Brisbane, we hope you enjoy your stay, and of course for those of you returning, welcome home. Thanks again for joining us everyone, enjoy the rest of your weekend.